Now today let's start with chapter number 10, knowledge is power. So in this chapter I will tell you about knowledge. So human being always has learned different skills by observing and experimenting with things. But the first, this knowledge was passed to the next generation orally, and however only few people could gain knowledge in this way. As a result, lot of knowledge was lost, and slowly as early human learned to draw, print, paint and write, knowledge was recorded as well as communicated. So the story of writing. So early human drew pictures of animals and other objects that they were familiar with many paintings that have been found on the cave walls in France, Spain and India. So over a time, symbols were used to represent words and sound. The development of symbol led to the growth of script, and the script is a system of writing. So what happens here? All languages are written in a particular script. Ancient script using pictures and symbols have been housed in it. Isko hum hieroglyphic script, right? So the script of Chinese, Korean and Japanese language, they were based on pictorial symbols. किस पे based है ये? Pictorial symbols, right? Now over a time, जो pictorial symbols थे, they gave birth to letters, and one of the oldest script have been found on the seal of Indus Valley civilization. और जो लैंग्वेज एक्सपर्ट्स है, दे आर स्टिल ट्राइंग, वो भी ट्राई कर रहे हैं, एंड वंस दे डू दे वुड हैव रिटन on these seeds. The Brahmini script developed in India about 2000 years ago. Most of the script is now used in India and have developed from, and Hindi is written in Devanagari script. And Louis Braille, he invented the script for blind. That is known as Braille script. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Braille script. Next is story of numbers. Early humans were food gatherers. They hunted animals and gathered food. For counting, they drew pictures, symbols, and dots. This was very crude, was the crude tha or unreliable method tha. The decimal system of counting developed in India. Concept of zero, that is शून्य, was originated here. From India, it spread to the Arab world, and the Arab called Indian system of number Hinsa. Today, number system called Indo-Arabic system, it is used all over the world. Then we have story of paper. The Egyptians, they were first to make paper from reed called papyrus. The word paper, it is derived from word papyrus. For a long time, papyrus continued to be used as writing material. The Chinese further perfected the art of making paper, and today, जो wood pulp है, the wood pulp is used to make paper. The demand for paper increased, और धीरे धीरे क्या हुआ, बुक्स को हमने प्रिंट करना स्टार्ट. द फ्रॉम पेंटिंग टू ऑन द क्ले, इन्वेंशन कैसे हुआ प्रिंटिंग का? दे स्टार्टेड राइटिंग ऑन क्ले टैबलेट्स, लीव्स एंड स्किन ऑफ एनिमल्स. पॉइंटेड पेन शेप टूल्स मेड अप ऑफ वुड और बैम्बू वर यूज्ड, एंड लेटर राइटिंग वाज डन ऑन पेपर. बाद में जो राइटिंग है उसको हमने पेपर पे करा. बुक्स वर रिटन एंड कॉपीड बाय हैंड. इट वाज वेरी स्लो प्रोसेस, एंड दीज हैंड रिटन बुक्स वर वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. ये बहुत ज्यादा क्या होती थी, एक्सपेंसिव. नाउ द आर्ट ऑफ प्रिंटिंग डेवलप्ड इन चाइना about 1500 years ago, but the method was difficult and thus not popular. Nearly 550 years later, in 1443, the first printing press was built by Johannes Gutenberg for Germany, and he used molds of letters, alphabets to make words, lines and pages. And ink applied करी गई, and the molds could be reset and reused. The Bible was the first book that was printed on Gutenberg. Now the printing press made it possible to make more copies in lesser time and at much lower cost. So books become cheaper, और ये आपके पास easy available, right? So this is all about the chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in next class. That's all for today. Thank you.